So you both raise investments, you are doing something cool, right, exciting, all of that part. But a lot of founders want to start and build in AI, right? But since you both come into a different industry, right? So my first question would be maybe to you, Amiya, right? You're building in the industrial aspect of AI, and there is a lot of scope in that, right? So firstly, how do you get started with the Lala's mentality? How do you convince them to use AI? By Lalas, I mean the traditional businessmen. So how do you convince them to use AI? How do you actually say them this tech can be cheaper than your person maybe that's working over there? So on to you.
Thanks, Himanshu. Thanks for having me here. So before I talk about what we built and how we are convincing the traditional businesses, I'll talk about a little bit background of myself. So I started just out of college, graduated in 2014, never worked under anyone. So started building my product. I wanted to do something in electronics, that's why I started my journey. I was placed in Datoms. But the core idea, like so what I have seen in last 10, 11 years, the problem has never changed. We have been looking at technology landscape. There has been IoT, AI, Gen AI, machine learning. So all the technology has been there, and people are trying to use those technology to solve particular problems. So the question is how aligned we are to the problem is very important compared to the product. Because as tech founders, in first phase of my journey, I was building a product in the air quality monitoring space. We work with Google right now. We have, let's say, if you open Google Maps, you can see an air quality layer. The entire layer is contributed by the brand called Aura, which has been built by me and